So dear students, in previous video we have solved exercise 1.5, right? And here we are going to solve exercise number 1.6, right? And in previous video we have understood law of exponent also, rationalization and all other things. So many things we have learned. In this one 1.6, I'm going to show you some questions of this exercise. Look it carefully. Say this is your exercise. This is your exercise, and here this is question number 1.6. Find 64 power 1 upon 2, 32 power 1 upon 5, 125 power 1 upon 3, and this one is 9 power 3 upon 2, 32 power 2 upon 5, 16 power 3 upon 4, and the last one is of this question 125 power minus 1 upon 3. And the last question is simplify, that is 2 power 2 upon 3 dot means multiply, and 2 power 1 upon 5, and here 1 upon 3 power 3 whole power 7, and here 11 power 1 upon 2 and 11 power 1 upon 4 divide by, and this one is fourth question is 7 power 1 upon 2 and 8 power 1 upon 2, right? Now first question I have written here 64 power 1 upon 2, as you can see in your book also. 64 power 1 upon 2, see here 64 is given, and I have done here factorization, prime factorization of 64. 64 divided by 2 32, by 2 16, again by 2 8, again by 2 4, again by 2 2, and 2 1 ja 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is equal to 64 equal to power 6. It means we can substitute this value. Substitute means we can use 2 power 6 at the place of 64. So 2 power 6 and whole power 1 upon 2. Now according to law, when 2 power m whole power n, right, 2 power m and whole power n is equal to 2 power m multiplied by n, isn't it? So here what to do here, 2 power 6 will be multiplied by 1 upon 2 accordingly. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6, it is divisible, so this will be equal to 2 power 3 1 ja 3, and 2 power 3 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, this will be equal to 8. This is the answer. Next question number B. Let's try to do our question number B. Now see question number B, that is 32 power 1 upon 5, right? 32 power 1 upon 5. The same we will do here also. Now see, this 64 we have done just before is equal to 2 power 6. So here 32 will be equal to 2 power 5 or not? From here this is 32, 1 2 3 4 5, right? This will be equal to 2 power 5. So can we write here 2 power 5? So 2 power 5 at the place of 32, and this is 1 upon 5, right? 5 to 5 cancel when we will multiply. It's 2 power 5 multiply by 1 upon 5. 5 to 5 cancel, this will be equal to 2. This is the answer, right? This was the question number B. And the C of the same, C or 3, that is same question is there, 125 power 1 upon 3. Here also we will do the same thing, 125 and the prime factor of the 125 divisible by 5. 5 25 time, again divide by 5 5 time, and again divide by 5 1 time. 5 5 5, it means we can say 125 is equal to 5 power 3, 1 2 and 3. So here this will be equal to 125 equal 5 power 3 and whole power 1 upon 3. So this will be equal to 5 power 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. 3 to 3 cancel. 5 will come, 5 power 1 or 5 will come. This is the answer. Right? These were the three questions of first one. Question number 1. Now let's try to solve question number 2. Question number 2 is again find. Okay, number 2. The same question is there, that is also find. Okay, in this one, first question is 9 power 3 upon 2. By the same method we will try to solve 9 power 3 upon 2. The same 9, as we know, the 9 is equal to 3 power 2 or 3 square. So can we use, just substitute this value, 9 equal 3 power 2, so 3 power 2 whole power 3 upon 2, right? So this will be equal to a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So this will be equal to 3 power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 to cancel. What will come? 3 power 1 means 3. This is the answer. Right? Sorry, this is 3 upon 2, not 3. This is 3 upon 2. So this will be equal to 3 power 3. And we know 3 power 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 9 3 ja 27. So this will be equal to 27. Right? This is answer. This will be 27. Okay. Now question number 2 of the same. Second one is 32 power 2 upon 5. I have shown already to you all questions. So 32 power 2 upon 5. Right? 32 power 2 upon 5 is equal to same. Just before we have done that 32 is equal to 2 power 5. Right? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, to ja 32. So here we can use here 2 power 5 and whole power 2 upon 5. Right? So according to law of exponent, this will be equal to 2 power 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. So 5 to 5 cancel. This will be equal to 2 power 2. 2 is there. So this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 to ja 4. Right? So this will be equal to 4. This is the answer of this question. Right? Understood till here? Let's try to do next one. Number 3 of the same. Number 3 is 16 power 3 upon 4. 16 power 3 upon 4. Right? And the same 16 will be equal to 2 power 4. 2, 2, 2 and 2. So here 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16. So can we write here? This is equal to 2 power 4 and whole power 3 upon 4. Right? So this will be equal to 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Here 4 to 4 cancel. So what will left? Here 2 power 3 left. So this will be equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8. This will be equal to 8. Right? Number 4 of the same. Are you getting all? 125 power minus 1 upon this. See here, this is minus 1 upon 3. Just keep it in consideration always. 125 again, as we know, 125 is equal to 5 power 3. So can we use this one? Is equal to 125 equal 5 power 3 and whole power minus 1 upon 3. Right? Now this will be equal to Look it carefully. 5 power 3 multiply by minus 1 upon 3. Is it? Yes, 3 to 3 cancel. 3 1 ja 3 because 1 is there. So here 5 power minus 1 is there. And power is negative. We can take reciprocal of this. So this will be equal to, when we will take in denominator, this will be equal to 1 upon 5 power 1. So this is 1 upon 5. Right? This is the answer of number 4. Did you understand? Next question is number 3. And the question number 3 is simplify the following. Right? That is simplify. Simplify. How to simplify? Let us see. In this one, first question is here. Here 4 questions are there. One by one we will do all. 2 power 2 upon 3. We will use here law of exponent again. 2 power 2 upon 3. Visible? Yes. 2 power 2 upon 3 and dot 2 power 1 upon 5. This is given. Dot means multiply. They are multiplied to each other. This meaning of those dot is product. Okay. Now as we know, a power m and a power n. A power m multiply by a power n, right, is equal to, base are same, so a power m plus n. Is it or not? When bases are same, power will be added, as we have learned in previous classes also. So now what will come? 2 power 2 plus 3 plus 1 upon 5, right? Okay, now we will add this one here separately. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. See, take LCM. 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 3 ja 15. This will 3. 10 plus 3 equal 13 upon 15. Means sum of these two fraction will be 13 upon 15. So we can write here 2 power 13 upon 15. And this is only the solution of this. Right? Now see the next question number 2 of the same. And question number 2 is 1 upon 3 power 3. 1 upon 3 power 3 whole power 7. Right? Now how to solve this? Very simple. A upon b power n, then a power n and b power also n. So this will be equal to, see, a upon b power n is equal to a power n upon b power n. So we can use this. So this will be equal to 1 power 7. Separately we can use n upon 3 power 3 power 7. We will have to take it separately. So will be equal to 1 power 7 means 1 only, and 3 power 3 power 7 means this will be, we will multiply. So this is 3 power multiply by 3 multiply by 7. 3 7 ja 21. So this will be equal to 3 7 ja 3 power 21. Right? This is the solution, and you may write this one in this form also. Which form? 1 upon 3 whole power 21. Both are same. Right? Next one, number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? In your book it is given 11 power 1 upon 2. 11 power 1 upon 2 divide by 11 power 1 upon 4. Right? This is given. Now as we know, when base are same and given in division, they are dividing each other, so power will be subtracted to each other. So here this will be equal to, try to understand, 11 power 1 upon 2 minus power 1 upon 4. This rule is similar to the product one. This product one we have seen na? So this rule is similar to this one. Here we were adding and here we have to subtract. So this will be equal to 11 power 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. When we will solve, half minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 only. So 11 power 1 upon 4 will come, and this is the answer. This was the question number 3, and the last question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is 7 power 1 upon 2. 7 power 1 upon 2, and this dot means, I told you just before, the meaning of dot is multiply, and here 8 power 1 upon 2. Now see, here also we have a rule, and that is bases are different but power are same. See, the rule is, I'm just writing here, bases are different means a power m multiply by b power m. Power are same but base are different. This will be equal to a multiply by b whole power m. This one you can take reverse also, converse hai na, converse also we can tweak. So this will be equal to 7 multiply by 8, they are in multiplication, power whole power 1 upon 2, right? This will be equal to 7 8 ja 56 whole power 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Okay, so this your first chapter we have finished. Try to do again and again, watch this video at least 2 times so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, in next video we will start our chapter number 2, that is polynomial. This chapter we will start, and that is polynomial, chapter number 2. Okay, in polynomial something we have learned in previous class also, and when we will start in next video I'll tell you all the things about it. If you are new here, you didn't subscribe, please subscribe it and share with your friends. We will try to be live also within some days. Okay, thank you.